Hello friends, welcome back to Novita Creations. Today I am telling a story called The Golden Touch. There was a very powerful king named Midas. He was greedier than he was powerful. He plundered all countries around his kingdom. Once, while he was worshipping, a deity appeared and said, "Hey king, I am pleased with your prayers. Ask for any wish, and I shall grant that." The greedy king humbly replied, "Thank you, deity. Grant me a boon that whatever I touch shall turn into gold." With a smile, the deity said, "So shall it be. From now on, whatever you touch shall turn into gold." Midas returned to his returned to his palace filled with joy. He wanted to test his new power. He touched a pillar. The entire palace turned into gold. From then on, whatever he touched turned into gold. Although Midas was happy at first, his happiness didn't last long. In hunger, if touched his food, that too turned into gold. Water turned into gold in his touch. Fruits turned into gold. He couldn't touch anything for anything or anyone, even those whom he loved so much. Once his daughter ran to him in affection and hugged him. Alas, she too turned into gold. It was then that Midas felt very sorry for his greed. He knelt down and started to weep and weep in repentance. Repentance. The deity appeared and asked Midas, "Aren't you happy with your power? Everything turns into gold. Isn't this what you wanted?" "Please don't tease me," cried Midas. "I don't want this power anymore. I want to be a normal man. Gone are my cruelty and greed. I want to be a new king who is kind and understanding," he continued. The deity took away his power. Midas ruled his kingdom with justice and love. He became a noble king to his people. The moral of this story is greed is the root cause of misery. I hope you like this story. Thank you for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe Novita Creations. If you like this video, please share this video to your family and friends. Thank you. Bye.